Good morning. He enjoys a healthy breakfast to get ready for a day full of work. First, he feeds the chickens, making sure they are happy and healthy. Then he feeds the cows and goats, giving each one the attention it needs.
Next, Farmer Bobo plows the fields to prepare the soil for planting.
He plants seeds carefully, making sure every crop will grow well.
When the vegetables are ready, he carefully harvests them for the market.
He loads the freshly picked vegetables onto his tractor, ready to transport them.
After working hard, he takes a short break to enjoy his lunch and rest a little.
Staying hydrated is important for Farmer Bobo during his busy day.
Every morning, Farmer Bobo wakes up early to care for his animals. His tractor may be old, but his hard work never stops.
Farmer Bobo always starts his day by feeding his animals. He believes every turns. After feeding his animals, Farmer Bobo gathers fresh vegetables from his fields. Today, with his tractor loaded with fresh vegetables, Farmer Bobo heads to the town market. After selling his vegetables in town, Farmer Bobo brings fresh fruits back for his animal.
Back at his farm, Farmer Bobo starts plowing the soil to prepare for new crops.
Oh no! The tractor broke down while plowing! What should Bobo do?
Farmer Bobo quickly calls his friends, the baby cats.
What in the world is wrong with this engine?
We heard the trouble, Farmer Bobo. We've got the tools to fix it.
The baby cats use their skills and tools to carefully fix the tractor.
Thanks to the baby cats, the tractor works perfectly again. Farmer Bobo is very happy.
After finishing his morning work, Farmer Bobo joins Mimi and Coco for a fun adventure. The friends giggle and playfully race their vehicles toward the jungle.
They enter the peaceful jungle, excited to meet the animals who live there.
The first friend they meet is a gentle deer, happy to see them. Playful squirrels hop down to greet them, always full of energy. A cheerful parrot circles above, welcoming the visitors to its jungle home.
After the fun, they relax near a waterfall, enjoying the peaceful jungle sounds.
Suddenly, a big tiger appears, but he looks friendly and calm.
The tiger waves hello, showing he just wants to make new friends.
But oh, the tiger has a small thorn in his paw and needs help.
The tiger feels great again and jumps happily to show his gratitude.
They share fresh fruits with their new friend, making him feel welcome.
The friendly tiger even helps protect his new friends along the way.
In your dreams, Mimi, prepare to eat my dust.
Suddenly, they notice a cow injured by a wild tiger nearby.
Mimi and Coco quickly call Farmer Bobo to help the injured cow.
Farmer Bobo arrives promptly with his tractor, ready to
Trailer.
They drive back to the farm, ensuring the cow is safe and comfortable.
At the farm, Farmer Bobo and the baby cats feed and care for the cow, helping her recover. After careful care, the cow recovers fully, happy and healthy again.